Hey, friends, welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Tom. Today's episode is all about small talk. These are short, friendly phrases that help you start a conversation with someone at work, in a shop, at the gym, anywhere. I will teach you 100 useful small talk starters that you can use in everyday life. So you will learn what small talk is, why it is important, and how to use it naturally in real conversations. In this podcast, I speak slowly and clearly. I repeat key ideas so you can understand and follow easily. We will go step by step. Each phrase comes with a short explanation and a real life example. You will also have a chance to repeat after me and practice. Let's get started. Let's start with a simple question. What is small talk? Small talk means short, friendly conversations. It's not deep. It's not serious. It's simple, friendly conversation we use every day. You probably hear small talk all around you. In the morning, someone might say, "Lovely weather today." Lovely weather today. Or, "How was your weekend?" How was your weekend? We use small talk in many places: at work, at school, in the supermarket, at the gym, when we meet a neighbor, when we stand in line, or even when we sit next to someone on a bus or train. It's part of daily life. It breaks the silence. It creates a friendly atmosphere. It shows interest in the other person in a simple way. We don't talk about heavy topics. We don't talk about politics or personal problems. Instead, we talk about the weather, about weekends, about traffic, about coffee, about everyday things. You don't need perfect grammar to make small talk. You don't need long, complex sentences. You just need a few natural phrases. And today, you will learn 100 small talk starters. Simple, useful phrases to begin a friendly conversation. Okay, let's begin with one of the most common small talk topics: the weather. It's easy, and everyone has something to say about it. So now I will teach you 10 natural small talk starters about the weather. After each one, I will explain what it means and when to use it. Then I will give you time to repeat the sentence. Let's begin. The first one is, "Lovely day, isn't it?" Lovely day, isn't it? We use this when the weather is nice, sunny, warm, and pleasant. You can say it to a neighbor, a coworker, or someone walking past you in the park. Now you repeat, "Lovely day, isn't it?" Next one. "It's really cold today." It's really cold today. This means the weather is cold. maybe winter or early morning. You can use this at the bus stop, in the office, or even in a shop. Now you repeat. It's really cold today. Next up, looks like it might rain. Looks like it might rain. We use this when the sky is cloudy and you think rain is coming. You can say it while waiting outside or talking under a roof. Now you repeat. Looks like it might rain. Perfect. Here is the next one. Can you believe this heat? Can you believe this heat? This means it's very hot, maybe uncomfortable. We use this to show surprise or just start a friendly and light chat on a hot day. Now you repeat. Can you believe this heat? Very good. Next one. It's been raining all week. It's been raining all week. This means it has rained for many days. You can say this when talking about the weather over a few days, maybe at work or in a lift. Now you repeat. It's been raining all week. Well done. Here's the next one. Such strange weather lately. Such strange weather lately. We use this when the weather keeps changing. Maybe sun one day, snow the next. It's a friendly way to talk about something we all notice, something we all see. Now you repeat. Such strange weather lately. Let's go to the next one. Finally, some sunshine. This means it's sunny again after many cloudy or rainy days. You can say this in a cheerful and happy way to show your good feelings. Now you repeat. Finally, some sunshine. Great. Next one. It's freezing out there. It's freezing out there. This means it's very, very cold. We use this when coming inside from cold weather. Now you repeat. It's freezing out there. Let's keep going. Feels like spring is coming. Feels like spring is coming. We use this when the weather starts to feel warmer after winter. It's a hopeful, positive sentence to start a nice chat. Now you repeat. Feels like spring is coming. And now the last one about the weather. I didn't expect it to snow today. I didn't expect it to snow today. This means the snow was a surprise, not in the forecast. You can use this when starting a conversation on a snowy day. Now you repeat. I didn't expect it to snow today. I didn't expect it to snow today. Okay, Now let's look at small talk you can use at work. This means your workplace, like an office, a shop, or any place you work, even online meetings. Small talk at work helps build good relationships. It shows you are friendly and open.